Hey everyone, I'm Adnan and I'm a developer advocate here at the Cube team. So today I want to show you how to connect Cube to Budibase. So this will give you tons of nice features like role-based access control, caching, pre-aggregations, and much more. Let me just jump right in. In the playground in Cube Cloud, this is the data I want to display in Budibase. So I'm just counting the orders and I'm grouping them by month. Very, very simple. And to get started, let's go jump into Budibase. And right here, I want to first create a new app. Let's go create a new app. Let's go start one from scratch. Give it a name. Let's say my app demo, doesn't really matter. And then we create the app. Give it a second to create. And right away, we're prompted to create a data source. So we need to go ahead and add the REST data source right here. Let's go and continue. And now we first and foremost need to grab the auth header, the auth token from Cube Cloud. Of course, you can name this REST endpoint however you want, but it's not it's not crucial right now. Well, let's call it just REST Cloud, Cube Cloud. First, then we can go ahead and in the connection information, let's just grab the token like so, paste that into the headers. Let's go authorization, paste the value, and save that up. Perfect. So once that's saved, we can go ahead and add a query. Once we, the way you add queries in Budibase is you go ahead and click the Add Query button. And here, you can go ahead and get the endpoint from Cube Cloud. So in the same way we copied this token, go ahead and copy the URL. Make sure to include the load path as well. So go ahead and paste the whole URL in. Make sure it's a post request. Don't forget that. And then we can go ahead and grab the JSON query as well. So go back to Cube Cloud in the playground. Click the JSON query tab, copy it to the clipboard. And here in the body section, go ahead and select raw JSON. And first, don't forget the query parameter. And then after that, paste the whole JSON in. Awesome. So now once you have that done, we also need to go ahead and edit the transformer a bit. Let's just add the dot data at the end here. So this will only make sure that it returns the data set. So only the array back from the result. We only need the data array. Awesome. Let's go ahead and save this. Let's go and try sending it, see what happens. And it's a success. Great, 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 great. So we also would love to add a name here because we want to know exactly what this query returns. So let's go and add orders by month and save that up. Now, let's go ahead and add a chart. So we have the data fetching part all done. It works fine. Now we can go ahead and open the design tab. And here in the design tab, we can add a chart. But first, before adding a chart, we need to add something called a data provider. And in the data provider, we need to set the data to orders by month. Now we can add a chart. So here inside of the data provider, let's go ahead and add a bar chart. And inside the bar chart, we can go ahead and select which data provider to use. So we're already using this data provider we just created. We need to select the label column to be, let's do the created at. And let's do the data columns to be the count. Perfect. So we're displaying the exact identical data that we were displaying in Cube Cloud. Perfect. You can obviously choose multiple options in this bar chart, like making it stacked, adding a legend, and much, much more, making it animated as well. So it's very, very nice. So yeah, that's it. Now you're loading data from Cube into Budibase. You get a query cache by default. So if you're running identical queries, those will be cached. But if you want more features like pre-aggregations, like role-based access, you can take a look at those guides in our documentation as well. And that's it. That's it for now. Until next time, bye-bye.